Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace sleeve applique. So let's see together. Start the slip knot in chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert your hook in first chain. Then make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 3 double crochets in this ring. This is my 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Make 3 double crochets. This is my 1, 2, and the last time. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Then make a slip stitch in this ring. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over to make a double crochet in first double crochet. Make a double crochet. Chain 2. Make a double crochet in same stitch again. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 1. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Chain 2. Make a double crochet in same stitch again. Chain 1. Make a single crochet next stitch. Chain 1. Make a double crochet next stitch. Chain 2. Make a double crochet again in same stitch. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in this space. Chain 2. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Chain 2. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Chain 2. Make a single crochet in same space. Chain 1. Make a double crochet in first stitch. This is my first stitch. Make a double crochet in this stitch. Chain 2. Make a double crochet again in same stitch. Chain 1. Make a single crochet next stitch. Chain 1. make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, make a double crochet again in same stitch, chain 1, make a single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, make a double crochet in same stitch, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, then make a slip stitch in this ring, chain 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, skip first chain, insert your hook in second chain, then make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in each chain. Make a slip stitch in this ring, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for visiting. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. See you later. Bye.